Good morning students. Today I will teach class 6 chapter 3 fiber to fabric. As I have already discussed about the fiber, their types, their origin. Now I will continue with the next step, that is fiber to yarn, then yarn to fabric. So firstly, that is spinning of cotton yarn. So spinning of cotton yarn, the word spinning is the process of converting fiber to yarn is called spinning. It can be done by a number of instruments, that is takli, charkha or spinning machine. Spinning machine can be used on large scale, but takli and charkha can be used for spinning cotton yarn at the small scale. So in this process, mass of cotton wool is drawn out and twisted. So during twisted, we get a yarn. We join together these yarn to form the good quality of yarn. In this method, a cotton is drawn and twisted together. So here you have to know about the charkha, that is more popularized by Mahatma Gandhi, our father of nation. He used this charkha in independence journey, that is he encouraged the people of India to use the homespun clothes, that is called khadi. But the shun imported clothes that is made in the mills of Britain. He said the people of India not to use that imported cloth. So he encouraged the people to use the khadi spun, that is homespun. So to encourage this movement, the government of India has constituted a body, that is Khadi and Village Industries Commission in 1956. So this commission encouraged the use of homespun, that is khadi, at large scale. So in this way we get a yarn from fiber, that is called spinning. So next step is yarn to fabric. The process by which we get yarn to fabric is done by two methods, that is weaving and knitting. So weaving is the process of arranging two yarn together. It is done by looms. The looms can be operated hand operated or power operated. You can see the joining of two yarns on your book, that is on page number 22. You can see here the two yarns are joined together. Here a lady is joining two yarn with the help of loom, that is called hand loom. This is also done by machine or power operated machines. So in next step, that is knitting. Here a single yarn is joining to form a different types of cloth item, that is sweater, socks. It is done by manually, that is by hand or by machine. So you can see your grandmother or mother are knitting with two sticks and a yarn together to form your cloth items. That is, you can see here in figure 3.14. So by weaving and knitting we can form a fabric from yarn. But we have to know about the history of clothing materials. So next topic is history of clothing materials. In ancient times, a man used to wear bark or big leaves of plant, animal skin to cover their body parts. When the agriculture practices come into existence, they grown different types of plant fibers in the fields. So the cotton flax plants are grown near the river Ganga, and in Egypt the cotton plants and flax plants are grown near the river Nile. Here the fibers are grown and the fibers to fabric is formed. But at that time, the sewing practice is not come into existence. So there is no sewing of clothes. So people used to cover their body part with the same as the fabric is obtained. They are not using a sewing technique for making the cloth items. But when the sewing needle come into existence, the sewing of clothes take place. We see different variations in sewing. But there are certain cloth items like dhoti, turban, sari, which are used unstitched by the man and woman. So there are lot of sewing variation that can be done by human being to make variety of clothes. So here I will discuss about how the journey fiber to fabric take place. So we have to recapitulate the topic like this. Number one, firstly there is cotton rolls who are obtained from the fruit of cotton plant. By the process of ginning, we obtain fiber. So ginning is the process of taking out cotton material from seeds. So from fiber to yarn, it is done by spinning. So spinning is the process of converting fiber to yarn. So yarn is converting to fabric. It is done by two methods, that is knitting or weaving. So weaving is the process of joining two yarn together. Knitting is joining of one single yarn. So in this chapter, I had discussed about the journey of fibers to fabric. I am completed the chapter number 3 and I had attached the PDF file of workbook with this video. Hope you enjoy the chapter 3. Please learn chapter 3 and revise at home. Thank you.